ensemeria yabo macho geborobu achingaki alenga wikirania niganga ya magendero asogokonya bali bonsi bategeta gusomera chikos chobugundi bwa maboko donya ekeratarira ensemeyo nigabaga kwalira eira yo chikoene kyabuna abana bali bonsi bakore chikole chigosebo igo bwate chinchira au choko egendereria baboneta gukora chikosi cy'amaboko y'chiko baletra enigo ya bwango donya aguri tukuligoro nigo alenge ase ensemeria ya bunjari asate birengani gara chiko bagako gendereria eira yaye yo gukinia amagenderero ayo anene asogosira abasaye asikosi cyo cy'ububundi bw'amaboko igatebanga nigarengete gwikirania era mbego se gwikira abantu chirifuinye babere bagweta asumurobelio yo nakwendera konyoro bokonyeko gwikari tukulira rodonya nigakonyire abasaye gusabantu gwetania eribu eyamo.
One way you could empower because chifundire na chichorete TVET. Njirate ya serikali ra beke TVET chibe close to the people. Ekero beke TVET chaberange our sons and daughters bagenda bakora chikosi icho. Ekero bakolire chikosi ekero banurire gasi a small document ibuneye yagera abana bangamba ko igwegasi. Bono chifundi cheto chianyorire lesson iyo NCA babere very passionate negasi yega. Orokereri chifundi cheto babere some added skills babere accredited bono nabo bakonyara go compete with other mafundis in the market.
We have been in this region since yesterday to today at different venues, and courtesy of the mobilization that was done by the Office of the Women Rep, we have managed to train right now almost 900 skilled workers and site supervisors on the functions of the NCA, and particularly on the construction industry and the regulations that are involved. And we've also taken them through the process of accreditation, which is a requirement by the NCA Act that skilled workers need to be accredited for them to legally work on construction sites. And I must say that the progress has been good, the participation has been very good, and we are still in the process of processing the accreditation certificates, which must be ready for everyone by the end of the day tomorrow. So we are looking
exercise kaba biasana igore twanenge South Mugirango very successful, twacha tendere very successful. Next week tole chisemo chabo nchali togende nyali bali tumanye gukorera kitutu cha North etutaite go cover the whole county. At least torabeka a very good number. We were targeting 4,000 Ntorochenga, the remaining constituencies. We will even bypass that number. Ngekeneneke umuraibu ensina chaka affordable housing. Affordable housing yega abantu bagocha gocha korosti engineer ekero bagocha korangeri abana baite site ebagocha kobaseli bamanye ko toletera abantu korusiko bali enibo yaito njenda gete toragata agali tangani to baba chwachi toto ale certificate bono baise ko tolina chigasi toto kolia maiso kabisa to batebi we want to know ingi toto airwe gasi and we have the certificate na ende abangina ngote gumore igoro yeli ogeli gabako beta abana samanga na cervical cancer derekere gento to kwamereri yako bambamanye tu muhimu we certificate bare koleta siasa bange gocha bono na bible beto galisiko totiko koleta siasa sekere gento omanya konyora ego to go sali obuguma bwaito bosa mbiya mono.
Bado tutigarite ase erombe ye amangana yama yakurwa asomo unera kwe county ya Kisii Doris Yabuli bali abanyora obokonyeko kurwa asomo rubeli yodonya nigo baba kumwirira ngambi ya mono asinge ncho yokorenta umurubeli yo kubasira na igo kumuboria achie ko baga kuiranirira umurubeli yo na indi kyagarambare batanyora obokonyeko ande yake baba bakugwatrani wa mona maganande nigo nonyina bamenya basira umurubeli na gotabanga no yibwenge ncho olengete guchiko bae nibo ase amatuko ale anchorbotu asenchira yobwagare
ofisi ya Mama County na ofisi ya NCA kwa kukumbuka wananchi. Nataka kuwahimiza wananchi pia wasikize viongozi wao. Kama kiongozi anakuita kwa mkutano kama huu, unakuja kupata skill work, unakuja kupata certificate na wametuleta tu bure. Kama mmelipia kitu, najua ni bure. Asanteni sana kwa kuitikia mwito na tunataka mpeleke ujumbe. Sasa mkweni ambassadors wa kupeleka ujumbe huko nje, mwambie watu wengine hii sasa serikali penye imefikia sasa ni digital.
Kwa Mombasa nilikosa hii kadi nikafukuzwa kazi.
Sisi engineer, we are very proud as the county. Umekumbuka mafundi vile vile na madaktari vile unakumbuka wanapewa license wanachenga nyumba. Sasa sisi pia tumehitimu kuhudumu hii Kenya mahali popote.
Tuona kile kujamona Semama County watanyoreire chi certificate cha NCA njeno yomona achandikira senga kientambe ngo tumchovisi mbali tinanya konyonyora, lakini Mama County na wakere mbia mono na ndege ndera mbali batanyora na ndo choche twakukaribisire.
Tafuta miaka mingi ukienda kesi tunalipa pesa, unaambiwa kuja kesho, ukienda kesho upate. Kwa hivyo tunashukuru, tutapeleka hii chini nyumbani, tuambie watu wakuja wasike kitu tena. Tunakuomba Mama County watu wa kupata wote, ujaribu siku nyingine tena kabla hii mwaka ujaisha uwalete.
Azipora na chega tende na kokere mono asinge njonga na nyode acquisition ya site supervisor nje yankonyire mono yakwera nje no mondo westima. Apart from this, latest study na ipura much of the community of Nigeria but make it as a post to get the first new key nora around in NCA so kuna tibuati tena gokire
ama fundi by profession dressmaking na iwanga chifundi njitakeire na manyanga ne chifundi kawaida bonsi, lakini yakarona ikana nyoranga ya tali barabu, lakini nante register nate banga bono na saliriri tuko tingo tiga na ngenda nyora mafundisho. Mama County mbiya mono ekiagara na nyorira mafundisho amange abo chigongonya nonye ni jase workshop yane imanya munana kingo koraki ngokora bono mbiya mono ekiagara mato tebinga moche morere chiloni na inje nondo yomo bori otagete chiloni ekiagara abana bangurire nibo bakurire ninga netinyore eroni nyegendereri egera abana bakoreki basome ende tugusabira Mama County nganyasamo konye twamanyire challenges neti nyinga gwetera soborai omone na mutuntube nenda mu bungaine negisemi ingana kyakora county yaito
arai abigaruri abatabwati amaroro na inde batamanyekaneti kibare ayo na mangana iyo mu president wense ya Kenya Daktari William Ruto gochia anse oyo kabiro mokonyo mu president Rigathi Gachagua amona Kalonzo Musyoka igoru